bathroom, you have to always test out the strength of the bum gun. Perfect.
Why not?
Yeah. Yeah.
You can see after.
Oh no, I have enough souvenirs.
No, nice
I know.
No problem. No buy, no problem.
No, I don't need any more. I got my bag is full. I can't carry any more. If I bring any more, I won't be allowed on the plane. I did all my shopping like a couple weeks.
No buying, just looking. It's all handmade, not a machine made. In Nepal, we don't have machine. Like this, ruby, like this for gift to your friend, family, you know, like these things. And turquoise, I have big one, big turquoise.
Okay, so we're in the Skyline hotel. So I got my bags, carried it in from the place. Do you have a laundry service here too?
Yeah, we do have laundry service as well.
Got laundry here.
I want to log in. Welcome drinks, sir. Welcome drinks. Let out first, man.
Now I checked on Booking.com. It's still available for tonight.
Tonight?
Or tomorrow night.
Tomorrow. I will just recheck it, okay?
Is it okay if I maybe stay 2 nights?
Yeah, no problem.
Because I want to go to Bhaktapur, but I'm not sure.
Okay, no problem. You can take your time.
Okay.
YouTube vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I did Langtang trek, and then I went to Pokhara.
Oh.
And then.
You had come alone?
Eh?
You had come alone here?
Yeah.
Single, okay. 202. And the breakfast time is from 7 to 10 a.m. from tomorrow.
Okay, very
7
good.
to 10 from tomorrow. If any problem, then you can call me in number 9.
Oh,
from
very
the
good.
phone. It's a welcome drink, sir.
Dhanyabad.
And your
Let's juice. Mango.
Signature. Your signature.
Yep.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. This one is yours, okay?
Now, do I pay for it now or is it on the card?
It's on the card. I will just print it out.
Yeah, that's fine.
Wi-Fi ka passport sabai bhandiyo hai. He will fix it everything, okay?
Okay, and do I leave my laundry here or?
We have to count the laundry.
Okay.
Okay, you become fresh and you can come down. So
Okay, do I leave that here or do I bring it with me?
You can bring it back, okay?
Okay.
Otherwise, bye. The laundry will order up.
Okay, let's go. Okay, thank you.
Where are you from?
Ireland.
Thailand.
Ireland.
Huh?
Ireland.
Ireland.
Yeah.
You wear Dhaka topi.
Yes.
Who give you?
I got it on the main street there, and on the busy street,
Where?
just outside Thamel.
Assam, Thamel.
Yeah, just yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
202. Right here. Oh, very good. Doors open and everything. Very nice. And has a desk too and everything. Perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. Oh. Here, thank you very much.
And Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi, yeah. What's the code?
What?
Okay. Okay.
202. Skyline
Skyline, yeah.
202.
Okay.
If you feel weak,
Yeah.
you can take another password also.
Okay.
Another room password. By typing Skyline and room number only.
Okay, because I want to upload a video, so I was going to start that now. So if it's not strong enough, I just ask you, or?
Oh, it's working now, is it?
Yeah.
Maybe
Very
it's cold.
No, it's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'll just go down with the laundry and that. So thank you very much.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Man left. Let's do the whole room tour. So it's €26 a night. So here you have a wardrobe, extra comforter in case you need it. 2 bottles of water. Very good. TV. First time I had a TV since. And then you have shelves there. Air conditioning. Huge double bed. Let's see how sturdy, but not too bad. Not like that place in where was it on the trek. Most of the beds on the Langtang trek were really comfortable. There's this one place in Lam Hotel. Oh my god, it was like sleeping on a board. yeah, so, and then here's where you can adjust the air conditioner. So on the whole, very happy with that. In the bathroom, you have to always test out the strength of the bum gun. Perfect. That'll suffice. So you have a shower here, which will do. A couple of towels, which is nice. I don't have to use my towel. You have a hairdryer if you need it, but I don't know. All in all, good value for 26 euros. Very comfy, and it's like located right on the center of Thamel. You just walk out. Here's the view from my second floor room, and that's the entranceway. So that's Thamel right there. You're right in the thick of things. So enjoy. Here's the internet speed check for the place. It's not very often your upload. It's almost as more as the download, but we'll see how long it takes to upload. Here's your man does shoes. Let's see how much he costs for my shoes. How much? How much?
How much give, sir?
How much? How much do you charge?
You give 500, I make good job.
500's dear.
I make good job, you first.
No, no, not 500.
You first use shoes, look, then you give money.
500 is very expensive.
How much give?
200.
400, 200, 200.
No.
300, okay.
250.
300,
250.
300, sir.
250. 250. Is that okay? All right. Yeah, I need these cleaned up anyways. They're looking a little manky from Lang Tang still. Here's one. Getting kind of warm here. Right across the road there's Dale Phillips' favorite pants, the elephant pants. If anyone watches Dale Phillips, he knows he hates those, and he goes on whenever he sees them, he goes into a tirade. They have them even in Nepal. There's your man cleaning up my shoes. Hello. Namaste.
Namaste. Turquoise?
Yeah.
Real one?
Hmm?
Real?
Yeah.
Oh. Good.
Yeah.
This
I just got that in Pokhara, I don't know.
is cheaper.
Yeah.
Is it expensive? This cheaper?
I don't remember. I got them about 2 weeks ago.
I have a nice turquoise one.
Yeah.
I have.
Yeah.
You can see after.
Oh no, I have enough souvenirs.
Nice one. That's
I
good.
know.
No problem. No buy, no problem.
No, I don't need any more. I got my bag is full. I can't carry any more. If I bring any more, I won't be allowed on the plane. I did all my shopping like a
that's
couple
good.
weeks.
No buying. That's good. No, I'm not going to sell.
No.
No problem.
Okay.
This is my shop, not so
Which
far.
one? Right there. Okay.
Where are you from?
Ireland.
Irish.
Yes.
Nice whiskey.
Taxi.
So you're leaving soon?
No, well tomorrow I'm going to Bhaktapur.
Bhaktapur. Oh.
Yeah. And then maybe Panatui and maybe somewhere else. I still have a couple more weeks.
If you like to found real Nepal, you can go in the countryside. You know, you can find real Nepal. This is capital. Everybody, you know, for money. Everywhere, everybody. Without money, they cannot live.
Yeah.
If you go in the countryside, you can find real Nepal over there.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to. I might go into Province 1. One of my friends lives, his family's there. So I might go all the way there, but we'll see.
Yeah, you can go in there because you can find a real Nepal and
Yeah.
nice culture and everything. You can feel it, you know.
Yeah. I'm having a good time here. It's good.
Yeah.
People are friendly.
Okay. Your first time in Nepal?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah. First time.
And new experience and new place.
That's
new
it.
People, right?
New people.
That's a good. You spend a lot
New
of money,
food.
a lot of money for flight ticket, everything, you know. And
Yeah.
you can find the real thing, and that's good.
Yeah. The flight's expensive.
Yeah, yeah. Flight very expensive. You come with the family?
No, just myself.
No, yourself.
Yeah.
Maybe next year you come with friends, family, right?
No, I'm gonna travel to different parts. Like,
After
Yeah.
Nepal, you go somewhere else?
well, I'm gonna go back home, but then next country I want to visit is Iran. So I want to go to Iran and then Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka.
Like this way.
I just want to go over. Yeah.
Is you doctor?
Huh?
You doctor?
Shoe doctor. Yes, very good. It's very dusty in Nepal.
Yeah, very good.
The roads are very bad.
Yeah, in more dust in India. India more than here.
I took the plane to go to Pokhara, which is nice, and then I took the bus back. It was 11 hours.
Road is not good.
Oh, 11 hours to go 200 kilometers.
200 kilometers.
Yeah. In Ireland, it would take you about less than 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah. Oh well. It was an experience.
Anyway, it's very.
Yes.
Life is very hard in Nepal.
It is, yeah. I seen I went on the trek Langtang and that, and the porters work really hard. And then also you see the porters carrying stuff all to deliver to the houses and that, and I don't know how they do it.
Yeah, very hard.
Very hard work.
That's why I tell you, there's a lot of tourist place. You can go in the countryside
Yeah.
and feel it here over there.
Oh yeah.
Tourist place everywhere, like Annapurna, Everest, like that. That's why so many people, and they are also earning money.
Yeah. Well, this is the first day I'm staying in Thamel, because the other times I was staying outside at a homestay, outside of Thamel. It's a little bit quieter.
Yeah, quiet. Yeah. Okay, sir.
Oh, very good. These are the shoes. These are the shoes now. They look a lot better. I'll go to Federal Reserves. Here you go, sir. 250. Dhanyavad. Very good.
You see my shop?
I'll go see it, but I don't need to buy anything, but I'll show you. I'll show what it looks like anyways. Maybe someone visiting will come and see it.
Maybe you like something.
Yeah.
This is a.
Oh yeah, that's what you're saying there.
This is a natural Nepali things, you know.
Okay.
Like I have a silver, like this, with this stone, it's silver. It's all handmade, not a machine made. In Nepal, we don't have machine. Like this, ruby, like this for gift to your friend, family, you know, like these things. And turquoise, I have big one. Big turquoise like this, and
Jeez, that's heavy.
very nice one. And this turquoise, real one, like this, you know. And I have like this one, you know this? This is called G from Tibet. This for necklace,
Okay.
like this neck. This very very good one
Oh yeah.
with turquoise, like this, you know.
Well, I don't really need anything. Like I said, I've got My bag is full. But how much do they cost, just in case somebody's interested?
It's different prices, you know, not a like different stone, different price, and silver is like same.
Yeah.
All, but the stone, which one you like most? Lapis lazuli, like this.
Well, no, I'm not gonna get anything. I told you I don't. I have. But how much would something like this cost?
This like 7,000 rupees.
Ooh. Okay.
It's expensive.
Yeah.
It's nice
And
one.
how much would something like this cost?
This is more expensive.
Is
Like,
it?
Yeah. This is a real stone, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
You got this. See,
yeah,
cutting here. Nothing here, okay?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's a stone. This is a very good. You can wear this, and this is a the coming power from planet.
Yeah.
This is a 6 eye, 9 eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 eye. It's very nice one. It's called C.
Oh, yeah.
If you like, I make good price because of nowadays low business. You know, this
Yeah.
one you can wear. You know,
No, I have too much stuff. I just
if
wanted
you
to
like,
show
I
it.
make good price now. You know, because of since 3 years no business. You know, and
No,
very
no.
hard to life in here.
No, I know, but like I said, I've had enough stuff. Like my bag is full. I don't need it now.
This is not need a bag. You know, you can put it in the wallet.
No, I
everywhere,
know, but I
and
got
you
a
can
bunch of them.
wear-
all. No.
If you like, I make this one 6,000 rupees.
No, you're okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Like you said, they all want to show you. He said, no, I don't want to sell you. But then really they do want to sell it to you. But, you know, oh well, he tries. But I got my boots all done, so I was going to give him 300, but I only actually had 250 on me. But they're a lot better. And it's a little bit of income for the lad, man. Here's your more elephant pants. I think they're expecting Dale Phillips to come by. These big shawls. No, Daddy, no. Tiger Bomb. Actually, it reminds me, I have to see a chemist. I need to get some more tablets for flu. I'm still kicking off this little bit of flu. Feel a lot better today. I was really poor 2 days ago. Yesterday wasn't too bad, but I had the pills. So now I just need to find a chemist and go back to the room, chill out for a bit, and then we'll go out and get some lunch. I stopped off, I had a sweet lassie. Now, in fairness, I don't think it was as good as the lassie I had in up in the Monkey Temple for 100 rupees. That one was 245. It was at a proper, shop and that stuff, but they had a big long glass with the all fancy and that, but it wasn't as sweet as the one in the Monkey Temple. So it was more of a yogurty flavor. Now it's still okay, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it about a 7. Whereas the Monkey Temple one gets top grade, so it'll be about a 9.5. I always have to give room for something to beat it. So, anyways, I'm gonna look for a chemist and then head back to the room. Here's a bit what Thamel looks like in the evening. It's after 5 p.m. now. They don't really close early. I know in Pokhara they were saying they only close around 11. I'm not sure what it is in Thamel, maybe put the comments on there, but I won't be up at that time. But here basically what it looks like a little bit. I'm just going for an evening stroll before I head for my room tonight, get packed up, and then get ready to go tomorrow. Now I'm just making my way back towards my hotel. You can see there's still a lot of people hustling, bustling around the streets. And here's my hotel here. Skyline Hotel. And that's it for this evening. I'm gonna chill